Hello guys, how are you kid? Today we are going to color shape. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let's start it. Let's color the body of the shape with green color. Like that, and yellow on the bottom part. And use orange there. Okay, and yellow here, here, and here. And use blue color for the window, red for the flag, gray for the red, and the right here, red and red, and we color the window with blue, 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 and blue. Okay, now let's color the background with blue color. Beautiful, right? It's a beautiful shape. Okay kid, let's color other vehicle. Let's color a plane. First, we will use gray color for this part and yellow for the bottom part. And for the plane, we keep yellow and brown for the wings. Red for the nose, blue for the window, and orange for the engine. Very good. Now the background. Use blue color. Okay guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye bye.